Most of the guitar reviews on YouTube are what I would call honeymoon reviews. It's always interesting to see with guitar players we follow as to what gear sticks around and survives that honeymoon period. Over a year ago I made such a review for the Creamery Charlie Christian style pickup that I had installed in my Telecaster. Now let me first play something for you and then I'll let you know my first anniversary thoughts on this Charlie Christian style pickup. If you like that arrangement, then I've uploaded a PDF with tab and notation to my Patreon, available on the lowest tier. Now onto my long-term review. And by the way, I wasn't given this pickup, I wasn't given it to review, I just wanted to give it a go and I'm very, very glad that I did. Firstly, I think it needs to be said that although there are a lot of Charlie Christian pickups on the market today, I don't think they compare in any way to the original pickups that, say, Charlie himself used in his ES 150. They are more pickups inspired by that pickup and that sound. You're not going to get Charlie's tone on a solid body electric guitar through a modern amp. Those original pickups were massive. The way they were, attached to the top, used different magnets, and also the AH185 amp was also a massive part of that sound too. And what I do think though is that these type of pickups offer us a way to customize a solid body electric guitar to make it even more suitable for playing jazz. So since installing this pickup, it's caused me to boot out my other Telecaster that had Lollas installed. This Charlie Christian pickup just meant I always grab this guitar over my other Telecaster. I'm also feeling that this is the only solid body guitar I need. I'm just never finding that I can't dial in the tone that I want, and in fact I find this pickup works well with every amp that I plug into. I've also previously owned a custom shop Nocaster with Lolla Charlie Christian pickups, and personally I prefer this Creamery one. It's more convenient in the humbucker size and it's quieter than the Lolla pickup that I had, but there's no doubt that they are both fantastic pickups. What I love about this pickup is that I get a clear and fully round tone that gives you the depth of tone you need for playing jazz. I'm always amazed by the string definition and the ability to hear the individual notes of each chord. And I'm really happy with how this works for playing jazz from both a rhythm guitar and lead guitar perspective. Now the advice for using solid body guitars to play jazz is often chuck some heavy strings on it to fatten up the tone. Now personally I don't like to use heavy gauge strings on electrics, I use them on my archtops, but on electric guitars I like to feel that I can play any genre on them. And so if I feel like playing some blues or even some rock occasionally, I can have a set of 10s on this guitar and I can play any style I want. Now with other pickups I've tried on a Tele, 10s don't give you that full sound that you need. And with this Creamery pickup, it's not been a problem. And when I'm feeling lazy, I've actually taken this guitar to rehearsals instead of my archtop, and it's done a great job at filling in for the role of my Super 5. With the amount of pickups available today, it's nice to feel content for once with a guitar and I see no reason to ever change it. Dare I say it, but I think this might well become the only solid body guitar in my collection. This pickup enables me easily to find the jazz tones that I like, and in the time that I've owned it, I've never once considered changing it or had any doubts about it. As I said, it provides incredible clarity, definition, and a full yet sweet sound that for me turned this telly into a fantastic jazz guitar. If you'd like to watch my demo of the Lola Charlie Christian pickup, then you can watch this video that I put on the screen that I recorded quite a while ago comparing the Lola CC pickup to the Fender Custom Shop No Caster Neck pickup. And finally, check the description for a link to my Patreon where you can access the tab and notation of that chord melody arrangement that I played in today's video. Let me know your thoughts on this pickup, if you've considered it or whether you've got it, or whether you've got a guitar with a Charlie Christian pickup in it. But for now, thanks for watching. Let me know if you've got any questions, and until next time, you take care.